Good morning. Let's see. So this here is a Gibson R8 guitar that we did a lot of work to over the last few days here. A little bit of Gorilla guitar repair. Cool looking, isn't it? But anyway, yeah, so the previous owner had basically ruined the electronics. They burnt the pots. There's globs of just horrible solder. You'll see I have a resoldering video. Excuse me. But yeah, there was just such really unfortunate work going on in there. And so replaced all the pots, all the wires, replaced the switch. The pickups, we don't think they're Gibson because the base plates don't match some other Gibson pickups that we know are Gibson pickups around the shop. So yeah, they sound good. They do a really cool, like, Peter Green thing in the middle position, out of phase, kind of quacky. He also had some other not Gibson hardware, so we put some actual Gibson hardware back on it. I did a fret level polish, cleaned the board all up. It's a really nice guitar, actually. This thing plays great. Typical Gibson tuners there. Look at the binding bleed. It's pretty cool, huh? They did a good job. I mean, it's, in 1,000 years, it's still never going to be a 58, but it's a nice guitar. So, all right, here, let's I'll put you guys over here. And where is, here's my pick. It's purple, so it sounds better. I like these. The Dario grippy picks, whatever they are, these things are really nice. I used to like Tortex. These things are like Tortex. There you go, Duragrip. These are like Tortex, but better. Oh, and if you're curious, it's a Roland Q30 practice amp that is covered in all my crapola. I'm like an organized pack rat, but I know everything is over there. So, apologize if it's not the greatest video, but here's just a little bit of what this thing does and sounds like. And again, I'm not claiming to be a fantastic player. Oh, there's the wife. I have to send her a funny video. Anyway, but yeah, no, I'm no shredder. I fix them better than I play them. So here we go. Here's everything up. Yep. There's the bridge. Kind of nice. Huh? There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's definitely sounds like a humbucker. It's pretty nice, huh? We got the middle. Sounds pretty cool for stuff like that. So quick, I don't get sued. Anyway, oh yeah, here, we'll do this. Let me turn this over to, let's see, get a little bit of crunch going. And that, and we don't need, we'll dial that back. And what's this on? Is it on? There. Oh, wait a minute, what's happening here? Why is nothing? Oh, I hit the tuner. There it is. Listen to that rolling tone. Huh? This thing's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, come check out the other videos. And I hope you like that one. Later.